Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by preparing the image and opening Personalize. First, make sure your wallpaper file is on the desktop or in Pictures so you can browse quickly. Once ready, right-click the desktop and select Personalize, or press Windows key plus I then Personalization. This opens the background options. You do this now because it keeps the steps focused and prevents hunting through folders later. Make sure display drivers are current so previews render correctly, and you avoid wrong aspect or scaling choices. Now choose how the image is used. Pick Picture, Solid Color, or Slideshow from the background dropdown. Picture is the usual choice. Click Browse, navigate to your file or a folder for a slideshow, and select the image. Next, set the fit option, fill, fit, stretch, center, tile, or span, because this controls cropping and pixel stretching on your Asus screen. If you have multiple monitors, either use span for one wide image or assign each monitor separately by right-clicking a thumbnail. This ensures correct aspect and prevents distortion. Finish by applying and confirming the change. In most versions of Windows, the wallpaper updates immediately. If there is an Apply or Save button, use it, otherwise close Settings and check the desktop. If you want the same look on lock screen, open lock screen settings and choose the same image. If the wallpaper won't change, check common issues. File format must be supported, JPG, PNG, file permissions prevent access, or a sync/ policy is overriding your setting. Resolve that and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.